Welcome to a Dune tutorial. So, you have got all of your equipment and you've got your storage containers, but every time you make something in one of your refineries, you have to manually transport it to another container. I'm going to show you how you don't have to do that. So today we're going to show you how I do it with my medium chemical refinery. So, my medium chemical refinery, we'll click on storage. Now on storage, you're going to see that I have my incoming circuit is 1, my outgoing circuit is 8. Okay, so incoming is, and I'll show you where that's at, is where my raw resources are. 8 is where my finished resources go. Now, as you see, I have a bullet in every one of the storage spots, and that is so that fills up the storage. Otherwise, your chemical refinery will fill up the storage one by one until it overflows. We're going to bypass that. So as I said, incoming circuit is 1, outgoing circuit is 8. Alright, so down here I have my raw material. And as you can see, their incoming circuit is 1 and their outgoing circuit is 1. This one don't really need to change. It can stay the way it is. This one is change only for where I want it to go. As you remember, the incoming circuit on my chemical refinery is 1. The outgoing circuit on my raw materials is 1. So the refinery will draw from this resource container. Okay? And if you remember, my finished goods went to the chest with 8 for incoming. As you can see, incoming resources here are 8. Outgoing is 1. The reason the outgoing is 1 is because all my fabricators and so forth have incoming circuit 1, so they'll draw resources from here. And as you can see with my ore refinery, same thing. Outgoing circuit is 8, so all my finished goods are going to go into that refinery. Or that storage, they're going to go. They're all going to go to the refined resource. Alright, so like here, same thing with this. Now this one, everything that's built here is going to go to circuit 7, and I'll show you how that works. Circuit 1, of course, is incoming because that's where all of your finished resources come from. Like you say, finished resources, outgoing circuit is 1. So any of your fabricators or refineries that have circuit 1 are going to draw from this container. Now, just so you know, these ones that are marked circuit 1, I do this with all of my additional resources that you need for building things, and that's just so that they will you'll automatically draw from these for anything I need for building equipment. And this one is even though it's set for incoming 8, I'm not really using it. I'm just storing stuff in here. Alright, now I gotta figure out where I put 7. Well, this one is circuit 6 incoming, which is my fabricator. So as you can see, my regular fabricator, everything that I built here goes to the storage container that has incoming of 6. And once again, filled up the storage with 1 bullet each so that it doesn't fill up this storage and it goes straight to the container. Alright, let me figure out what that storage container is. Now here's my spice refinery. Once again, incoming is going to be 1, simply because I do that with all of my raw resources and finished goods. Their outgoing is going to be 1. Its incoming is 1. Now this one's outgoing is 2, because the spice goes to a different container. And I keep my spice up there in my office in a specially locked chest. So this is where all my finished spice goes, and also so does the spice residue that I manually move. As you see at circuit 2, so only spice goes in this container, nothing else. This is where all my raw spice goes. Once again, outgoing circuit is 1, so that it can be drawn from automatically by the spice for refining. Alright, let me find that storage container, number 7. Oh, I got spice here. Oh, well, this is interesting. I'll have to move that later. Spice residue, if you're going to build the heavy-duty lubricant for your upgraded power generators, you're going to need a lot of this. So I wouldn't sell it unless you've got tons of fuel already made. Alright, so if I don't have a 7, I'm going to have to create one, because I'm not sure where this they could be sending everything. Let me check. Alright, so this one here is set for circuit 5, and circuit 5 comes from my recycler. So as you can see, everything that I throw into the recycler, I fill this storage up so it can't go in the machine, will automatically go to the chest with circuit 5. Which is this one. And also this one. So this one will fill up first, and then it will go to the next one. And that was just the dead mice that I can't stand, so I kill them all. I'm not sure what circuit I put that on. Just gonna split these. Now, I know this takes a little bit to set up, but it's okay. see how much storage I had in that. So the advanced fabricator storage has a lot. So this one is going to have an incoming circuit of 7 and an outgoing circuit of 1. So everything from my survival fabricator, advanced survival fabricator, is going to go into here, but it'll be available for any construction. And I'll show you how that actually works here. We'll go to my advanced survival fabricator, fabricate something so you can see. So for giggles, we're going to create one of these. Storage is full. I don't actually need it, but just to show you. As you can see, it's pulling resources from all the containers that have 1 for outgoing, because it's incoming. Now you see it's done, but there's nothing in here. And there it is, circuit 7. It brings the Dew Reaper right here. So everything comes out survival fabricator, goes right here. Then you can take it and move it wherever you want. In this case, I'm going to put it in my equipment container. Now the reason I have everything from survival fabricator going there is because with your advanced survival fabricator, you can also build other items that you need for construction. So it's a manual transfer into another storage container, but I don't mind. So once again, to recap, your outgoing on your equipment is going to be whichever storage container is going to be your incoming. So outgoing circuit is 7 for the fabricator. And incoming on this storage container is 7, which means everything from the survival fabricator comes here. Outgoing circuit is 1, which means any resource that I create that goes in here will be available for construction. Now, if you don't want anything to go anywhere, if you want it to stay where it's at, keep both circuits as 1. That creates a closed loop so that nothing goes into it, but items can come out of it. And that concludes our tutorial on how to use the circuits in Dune Awakening.